Getting in some pictures of a clash between Congress and BJP workers during Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka's Padyatra in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. We're getting to these pictures. BJP and Congress leaders clashing in Amethi. Some of the first pictures that are coming in. There was a face-off between BJP and Congress leaders. The first pictures coming in. We'll try and go across to our reporters on the ground as we stay with these pictures. In fact, Samajwadi Party workers were also there. We're hearing that Congress and BJP faced off. Priyanka Vadra supporters, Rahul Gandhi supporters raising slogans against each other. And these were some of the first pictures that came in. We'll play out the video from Amethi and then get you some reactions.
वापस जाओ वापस जाओ वापस जाओ राहुल प्रियंका 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 वापस जाओ वापस जाओ वापस जाओ
In fact, in those posters, you can see one side holding up posters that read Priyanka Vapas Jao and Rahul Gandhi Vapas Jao. Rahul go back and Priyanka Vadra go back. These are posters in Amethi. And these are the first pictures that came in as two sides came close to each other and faced off. Now, that was the other side, Congress workers who were also gathering there. And let's play out the video as well of the Congress side, the protesters who had gathered.
आप किनारे हो
Sumi joining us with the details of what happened here in Amethi. Sumi, we can see the posters. Rahul Gandhi go back, Priyanka Vadra go back in Amethi. We are hearing that there was a clash between both of them as well, though it's not very clear in the pictures. Looks more like a face-off between both parties. What more do we know of what happened there?
Yes, absolutely. We are looking at a very dramatic visuals coming in from Amethi, which used to be Rahul Gandhi's bastion just before 2019 elections. And in fact, just before the Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections, Congress workers also stepped up their preparations for senior leader of the Congress, Rahul Gandhi's visit to Amethi, and where he will undertake a Padyatra, that is a foot march that will launch the party's campaign for 2022 Assembly elections, which is just on the corner. And Rahul will visit his former constituency. That's what the plan was. The official release of Congress, and in fact, they were also looking into doing a Padyatra there. And that is when this has happened. Both the parties, the workers of both the parties clashed, and in fact, the BJP has been constantly criticizing Rahul's visit and has been saying that the Padyatra will not have any impact whatsoever. And in fact, he represented Amethi in the Lok Sabha since 2004, and he lost to the giant player of 2019 Lok Sabha elections, Smriti Irani. So in fact, Rahul Gandhi's Padyatra is only a visit to Amethi, and this is not serious politically, and that is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has been claiming. And that also translated on the ground where the preparations were going on, and once the Congress workers had a face-off with the Bharatiya Janata Party workers, and that's when the Bharatiya Janata Party workers also said that go back, with all the posters saying go back Priyanka Gandhi, go back Rahul Gandhi, because their Padyatra will not have any impact whatsoever in Amethi as well as in the Uttar Pradesh.
Stay with me. I have Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP joining us on the phone line. Shehzad, looking at pictures of what seems like a political confrontation between BJP and Congress workers, BJP workers holding Rahul and Priyanka go back posters in Amethi.
Niranjan, this is the reaction of the people of Amethi and Uttar Pradesh who feel that despite sending the political family of the Congress party to parliament for decades on end and giving them all the power as Prime Minister and otherwise, the manner in which Amethi was kept backward, no developmental work was done, and in fact, Mr. Rahul Gandhi lost the election, he had the gall of abusing entire North India, saying that he never felt that the people of North India understood election issues like they did in Wayanad. And I think if you make such kinds of statements and then just before an eve of an election come back again for trying to score political points, naturally people of Amethi are going to tell you to go back, and perhaps that is why the reaction of the people is coming out in the form of their protest.
Yeah. I think JP Nadda, the BJP president, is addressing, workers. Let's cut across live. Okay, I think we lost that feed there. We lost that feed there. We'll go back to that. But look at that, pictures coming in. In fact, both sides clashing. In fact, the pictures on your screens of, the Congress trying to vandalize posters there ahead of Priyanka Vadra's arrival. And before this, we saw the posters also of the Congress, anti-Congress protesters. Now, that's the situation in Amethi. And we'll continue to track the situation that's unfolding in Amethi.